Let's send it out for the boys live on YouTube. I'm gonna play music. I don't know if I can for you guys, but I'm gonna play music. All right. Alrighty, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You ready? Bev's got his morning bevs. You ready? Grain drink. Then you ready? Then you ready? Mushroom coffee. Then you ready? Then you ready? Double shot espresso. And then you ready for one last one? Giga water. Giga water. Alrighty, bunkies. Let's see what we got. Okay, so ES is just absolutely flying. And NQ is dumping. Sick. Sick, 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 sick. Good morning, Dr. Gino. How you doing this morning? I still want a short ES. If it gives us this inversion, I honestly would be down to take a stab short ES. So yeah, like a 10-point stopper. See how this prints. Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Long YM, he says. What is YM doing? Weird. Bro, shit is looking goofy right now. Because NQ's dropping here. ES is starting to pump. If we don't take this high, though, and we inverse this, I think I will take a stab short on ES. Probably like maybe 8 micros. My biggest thing is I still want this wick. This wick. Oop. Yeah. Basically look like this. To there. I mean, full TP is down here, but definitely trim most off here. And then slow trim. Leave like 3 or 4 for the full TP. All right. Think we're gonna get ready to stab here. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Gonna have stops up there. So 8.25 stops. Let's get 4. Mm. Let's see. Let's see. Probably should have waited maybe 10, 15 seconds after to see how that second candle printed, but I like it so far. We should be all right. Oh, grainy, grainy. Take me back to yesterday. Ah. This would be a really nice confirmation to get this full IFEG. Dislike these market opens. Yeah, I mean, dude, market in general just has been goofy. Like, not a lot of it has made a lot of sense, but you know, it's our job to be adaptable, right? So we make shit happen. So that divergence was disgusting, but what my mind went to immediately was his wick still hadn't been taken from Friday, and it did on NQ. So there's SMT down there, but in my opinion, that's a draw because the way NQ also started printing, which is probably down even more, right? So yeah, it sweeped that. It came back up, basically retested this whole probably hourly CSD, I'm guessing. Yeah, yeah. And then now it's pushing back down. So NQ's new draw is going to be all this LR, and then maybe it bounces off an OB. I don't know, but it's obviously weaker, right? And ES starts its day pushing up, and sweeps a bit of it looks like pre-market, maybe London highs. Is that London? No, it's just pre-market. Um, but now as of now, it's reacting pretty well to that 1 minute IFEG, which was our confirmation to look for the shift towards downside. So, anyways, it's a little bit of analysis there for you, dude. I like just woke up, bro. Sorry if I'm fucking schmunky. How's she doing today? What is that? The fuck is that? Oh, it's just even. Hmm. Apple going ridiculous, actually. See what news we got this week. Let us see, mate. Nothing today. CPI tomorrow. PPIN, yeah, Wednesday. Okay, we got ourselves a week. It ain't gonna be too bad. Hopefully not. This market, bro. You can't even make it up. I don't know if I'll go break even here. I probably will. No, I'll probably just tighten it to here. No, cause that's, yeah, whatever, dude. We'll do that. Is anyone in this with me, by the way? I didn't really like announce all the levels and stuff that I entered, but it looks good. I think we should be able to kind of run down all day. Hopefully, it's just our one trade of the day. On to mushroom coffee. Pretty good stuff, man. Pretty good stuff. I did. Need a dump. Yes, indeed. Dumping wise. When dumping wise. This shit's geeking. What a chop start of a 5 minute candle. See if we can at least get the Simbers here, though. Be real nice. Draw more rectangles. Draw more rectangles. I got Rise. I got Rise. They had a good deal, so I was like, fire. I think it's probably about all the same. I don't think any of them are like special, but it does help my belly, bro. It does help my belly. I feel good about it. Makes me a little less bloated, stuff like that. It's quality business. Use code Ironheart. Just kidding. We should see if we can get that though. It'd be kind of sick. Nice. Hey, plus 100's plus 100. Can't be mad at 100 free bucks. Yeah, hurt. I'm glad I sold out of these, but damn, damn. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Last 2 weeks to just get shit on like that. So far this month, they're down 25%. It's pretty bad. Soon though, I think soon. I think when it goes, it'll be pretty explosive. So we'll want to keep it on watch. God damn it. No, I didn't close. Close what? Oh, close Ion Q. Yeah, I did. I alerted that too. Yeah, dude, Jax, I've been there plenty of times too, bro. I know it's not fun, but you squoke it out today. You slithered through the cracks. You secured 100 bucks off it, bro. You can't be mad at that. But yeah, no, I'm still in this short, Ginny, if that's what you're asking. Oof. Rip. Why is Bev slithering? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. See if we can get this trim in here. Nice. I think I'm just gonna barely tighten stops and just move them up like half a point. Still want to give this trade a bit of room to breathe. And if we take a small L, then it's fine, you know, because there we made about 100 bucks. I think if we lose, we'd probably lose about 200. So I'm fine risking basically my daily profits on it. After this trim, though, I will go break even for sure. Maybe even a little bit in profit, just depending on how it prints. Torta tilled. Do you like those lately, Gino? I was just sitting thinking, bro. I was like, what do I do? What do I do? Border build. Shorter chilled. Tortilla tilled. No, it's fun, dude. Yeah, this shit's insane, bro. Charts are just so bricked. I mean, like, at the end of the day, look at this. This is what we're trading. But I do think overall, We're looking pretty bearish. We will fill this NWOG at some point, but I think this wick first. Again, you know my thesis on all these wicks, bro. Anytime a wick like this gets printed, at very least a 50% point will go get tested, which it kind of did last night, but whatever. Whatever, bro. Dude, don't talk to me. Look at this chunk of 1 minute candles. That is chopped, bro. Holy fuck. I can't believe I'm trading this. I really can't believe I'm trading this. I get enough for a nice scalp to start the day. Much appreciated. Bam. Mwah. Is it a little bit? Is the little bit of NWOG that's not filled still counts? Yeah, it definitely does. Definitely does, dude. But you know, it could take a month for it to fill. It doesn't have to be today or tomorrow or this week or whenever. It's just an imbalance in the market that will get revisited. Simple as that, dude. Ooh, 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 ooh. I know, bro. I know. Being like 7 points ahead of the inversion and then just not even getting it. Because let's see. Seven. Literally 7 full points. But also, you see the impulse candles. Like, this could literally just. All this little correction thing could just get erased plus TP, next TP in one minute candle. So, I don't know. Price just tweaking. It's a no news Monday. Plus, again, price has already been tweaking. There's a chance we just fucking fly right here and get stopped out on the rest, which is fine. But you know, if that's the case, then I don't know. I mean, obviously, NWOG would be the clear draw, but from there, what? I mean, still look where we're at. This is still disgusting. Yeah. Like, this is what we're in right now. On NQ, we're literally just like megaphoning. Like, tomorrow could be bullish. Even then, though, doesn't even like matter. Did, did it go? Oh my god, it did go. Babe, you're a genius. You're a genius. Dude, I gotta just not trade YM. Every time I try, it just doesn't go too well, so. If I do, I just gotta size real small and actually learn the thing. Cause I learned gold, I learned oil, I didn't learn silver. I know NQES obviously. YM I am still a baby brick with. I don't know if like what I trade works very well with it, but because like gold, for example, I use a lot more kind of like support and resistance type of methodology with it. But you know, oil kind of same thing. But yes, NQ, it's like yes, there's that, but there's so much more to it. So each ticker's got its characteristics. You know what I'm saying? To be a booker. Oh, you mean boomer? Hey, autocorrect. No, dude, you don't have to be. Rob trades it. Rob's younger than me. But Rob is an old soul, dude. True. But you know what I was looking at? Let's see if we can just pull up the actual stats so I don't just sit and shit out of my ass. QQQ's been averaging like 2 to 3% more per year since 2021. Pretty nuts, huh? It's like, yeah, duh, but I'm just saying, dude. We've seen this happen where, oh, we about to get stopped out? Call that shit gay. Gay. Literally exactly even on the day, pretty much. I'm up $30. It's huge. It's huge. But yeah, this is what I was gonna do is QQQ. It's at 7:15 and then Spies at what is it like 7:50? Yeah. Like they're pretty close. Like give it maybe a year and Q's might pass it up. That is a nice reaction off of fucking London lows. I might even, I hate to be the guy that just hops right back into another one, but that does look kind of nice for longs here, but I'm not gonna chase. That'd be like my third or fourth trade of the day. I've already been kind of spamming, but I almost guarantee this does work. So if anyone does want to take and feel a little crazy, do it for me. It'd be around 6:30, 29 6:30, around. Probably, yeah. So what I'm saying is, yes, I just can't trust it yet. I can't trust upside yet. I can't trust either side on really anything right now. None of it is very clear at all. Like I think the whole theme right now, trading wise, is take a stab at whatever side looks, discount ranges, premium ranges, that type of stuff, of course. The typical usual, but trail stops and secure profits early. Like old me would never take a trim at like 6 points on ES. Like that's not that much, dude. But I just did and mitigated another $100 of the loss. So I'll take it. I'll take it. I definitely still lost money on that short on ES, but it's all right. Still green on the day. The mental is not withering. Withering heights. Got all grainy at the bottom. No, no. Oh, oh. Sometimes Discover Weekly cooks, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I really don't think today's gonna be worth trading. At least AM sesh. Like I really don't think so. That's just my kind of thesis. Like every time we come and sweep one or the other opposing liquidity, we just reverse right back into the range. It's usually a pretty damn clear sign to not put much thought into most things with the market. So we don't have an hourly CSD from last candle on NQ. Um, ES, same thing. Neither of them push a direction. Technically, sort of, kind of here, sort of. With Enwog above. Honestly, if anything, ES does look kind of decent for longs, but I would not put almost any pressure into trying to make money today. Nice. Nice, nice. Good stuff, Shoesy. Hmm. Interesting. Not really. There's no CSD down here. And also, it's like where target, when target. I guess that's like 120 points. I just still don't trust it. Is it a 5 minute OB right now? It literally might just hold this and push back up. I have no idea. And if it does go down, then I'm alright missing it. Dude, I know continuation plays have been the model has been so fucking pristine lately. Yeah, it looks like that is working. And that's alright. Come sweep lows and then where though, you know? And at this point I'd definitely be chasing. Basically wick me out, but that's alright. Even then though, it's like I'd hate to sit through that. That's disgusting. You know what? We might finally get the 5 minute IFG. But I bet you by the time this candle closes, it's like already down here or some shit. Just cause. Shoes. I saw it after we technically would have been up 80 points. Of course I trust you. So like by the time I looked at it, we weren't even CSD'd here. But yeah, that's 80 points. I'm not gonna chase 80 points down, brother. That's not how we do things here at Ironheart Capital. We stay disciplined. Slow and steady. It wins the race every time. And like I said, still this 5 minute OB, to me it's not A plus. I'm not gonna take that trade. I trust you for a scalp, but to me that's not A plus. Ba-na-na-na-no-no. Yeah, today really is gonna suck. Like price wise, so I would not put any risk on. Game over. Who's Weenie Bop, bro? Who the fuck is Weenie Bop, bro? Hello? Who woke up and decided to name themselves Weenie Bop? I'm just curious. See what I'm saying, Shoes? Held that 5 minute OB. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You know? Yeah, this actually might pump. What does 15 look like? Yeah, yeah, it's huge, bro. That's sick. Look, it's so fucking sick right there, baby. Let's go. Oh, that is some disgust. That's a 5 minute chart, by the way. So that should show a lot more. That shows me absolutely fucking nothing. Who is Weenie Bop? You still never answered my question, bro. Who the fuck is Weenie Bop? Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. She knows she love me. She knows she care. She shout whenever, and I be there. What the fuck? What's wrong with Lucid right now? Hmm. Oh yeah, did y'all see what happened with Alpha Futures? We never got code Ironheart, but um, I guess they fucking took out Tradeify. Just no cool. It's not very nice. Naughty, 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 dude. Okay. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's huge. No, I think that overall we're gonna get some decent opportunity this week, bro. But I feel like really we just gotta just fucking hold our nuts for most of the rest of the summer. Q3, Q4, those are gonna be heaters. Don't get me wrong, but we gotta keep ourselves alive till then. Hopefully, set ourselves up with a bit of extra capital so we can execute fucking properly, baby. But I'm thinking it might just be leap time, swing and leap time right now. Little bit of day trading, a couple times a week. The news days. Overnight has been solid though. Overnight's been solid. I know you guys saw me spamming alerts last night, but price is moving, dude. We got what 115, 195 or something? What was it? I think it was 115. Yeah, 115. Then we got another 40 points and stop break even. And then I did take that loss on ES. Damn, so both my losses today are ES. And I got two two wins on NQ. Huh. I did size kind of heavier on that one because I felt pretty good about it, but technically. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. I was literally just gonna say, technically, we just got wicked out, and then it's gonna go. Yeah, fuck this, bro. That's so gay. That's demoralizing right there, bro. That shit is pretty fucking silly, bro. It's just pure goofy. Oh, and then look, Gino, what did I say? What did I say? The 5 minute FEG or IFEG isn't gonna happen, and by the time it does, it's gonna close down below this. What the fuck did I say, bro? Oh, it's like I've done this before or something. That's crazy. Holy ball sack. What a time to be alive. Yeah, chart's closed. That's the exact mindset I'm in now. I am not chasing this shit. I can already feel my, you know, cracker having ass. Eating cracker having ass. I eat the cracker having ass. The rug pull came. Dude, you did say, they're gonna pull another rug pull candle today. And then watch, let's see. You know, it would be even more comedy. Closes green. The candle closes green, imagine. That'd be pretty good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not long in that. If you are hopping in those, best of luck, brother. Is that Rob Lowe on the right? Fucking riffraff? Let's just see what NQ's showing. Because ES still didn't sweep this candle, huh? I mean, you could take a short with something like this. I'm just gonna set those, and then I might get off charts here pretty soon. So if we get ran on those, and that is what it is. I'm pretty sure I can go down a tiny bit. Yeah. All right. Doing that. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't even want to know. I just want to come back tomorrow and be happy, or not that mad. 'Cause even if we lose, that's yeah, we're still good. It's 250. We'd only be 250 down on the account. Still haven't even drinking my espresso. I forget. I forget. Ah, wow. Wow. I love espresso. That's delicious. That is delicious. Let's think of a good one. Um, rotor railed. How do you? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Little. So I put a little honey first, and a little cinnamon, and then right as the espresso starts dripping on it, you gotta mix it up so it like brews into it. How do you avoid slippage on TradingView? It's pretty much impossible. I set all my orders usually through Tradeify, just because it's a little more firm. Was that full TP if we held those? No, 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 no. Not even close. That's why we're back in. I still think that's the draw. Could be super wrong. If I am, then I am. But yeah, bro, a little honey and cinnamon. I don't have any milk right now, and honestly, I don't feel like buying milk because I'm only gonna be here like one more week, 2 more weeks. But I used to put honey, cinnamon, and then that coffee, the mushroom coffee shit. And then same thing, right as the espresso starts getting in there, stir that bitch up real good so there's no clumps. And then yeah, a little bit of milk, a little bit of ice, solid. Shoes calls it chocolate milk. Uh no, not to Tennessee, not yet. I'm gonna go out to Zion for a bit. So my roommate, you met Addie, right? So you actually met both of them. So Maya joined the military. She's in the Navy, so she's out in San Antonio, and they're married, right? So Addie was here for like another few months, and then long story short, she ended up just going down there. I thought it was gonna be September, so I was trying to find roommates to fill her spot by the time she left, and then she hits me like literally a couple days before my birthday, like, "Yo, it's actually gonna be the end of June," and I'm like, "Well, fuck." So immediately listed my house because I'd rather just move out to Zion, bro, and go do that and start making money off this place because I really haven't made like any money. Like I made about uh $100 a month after like utilities and whatnot. So not too bad. Tennessee just looks nice, bro. And like honestly, I just want to swap out of Utah. Like not because of anything to do with Utah. I just feel like I need to fucking change, bro. I've been here pretty much most of my life, you know. And so I want to go branch out and see what up. And Tennessee looks pretty nice. I looked into it. I could find a pretty fucking nice place in Tennessee for like 1,000 a month, 1,500 a month. I saw like 5 places like that already, and I was like, dude, that's cheap as fuck. Plus, I really haven't explored like the East that much, you know. Like I've been to New York, I've been to Florida, I went to Atlanta, but that's pretty much it. Like I haven't done much else. Yeah, yeah, New York. I'm good. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't want to really live there. I really wouldn't. It's too cold for me. That's the main thing, and also a little bit too much, too many people. I need quiet. I need shit to be quiet. I caught you, bro. I'm in Kentucky. Just went to Gatlinburg. I've heard Gatlinburg is awesome, bro. I went to Gatlinburg, or I've heard Gatlinburg. Or TT was telling me that yesterday. I was talking to the boys. I was like, "What y'all know about Tennessee? Like, what's the thoughts?" They're like, "It's fucking beautiful." That's another thing is that like from what I've read into, I could be super wrong, and you guys can tell me if I am. But out east, like yes, there's definitely nature, and it's just different types of nature. But like for kind of the most like complete like it's got a little bit of everything. Is Tennessee's got kind of most of it. Like it's got mountains, rivers, trees, deserts, all that type of stuff. Rocks. I just need rocks, bro. Need to find some cool rocks. It's my favorite thing to do here. I found copper. You see that? Copper. I found Labradorite. Let's see if you can. You see that? You see the holographic to it? Can you see that? Pretty sick, huh? Like how the fuck did the Earth just make that? Just shit it out. Got a little jade, marble, minerals. I mean, they're all rocks. Everything's a rock. You ready for this one? Looks like a piece of shit, right? Geode, bang, bitch. It's a Breaking. Oh yeah, Minerals. I haven't seen Breaking Bad in a minute, bro. I love that show. Oh, Santa Fe. Which rocks channel your chakra? See, I'm not that type of rock guy. I just think rocks are cool to look at. That's pretty much it. I think rocks are pretty sick. Call me acoustic, but hell. See, I think shoes is a crystal girly, all that type of stuff. I don't believe in all that. I think there's a big guy upstairs named God. He's a great man. He does all this stuff. I don't think it's rocks. Oh no way. No, dude, I sold jewelry for a while too. I love like some cool stones, some gems, stuff like that. It was a fun job. I just didn't like, I don't know, not a big sales guy. I can do it. I just fucking prefer not to. You're a geologist? Is that what your actual job is, shoes? Or do you like have a job? Like I don't know. I don't even know what life's like for a girl like shoes. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That's badass. God, I need to get a pull-up bar so I can just fucking hang. My back needs help. Ugh, I feel like Tobey Maguire, Spider-Man. My back. No, I'm big into geography. I do like geology a little bit, but I don't know why geography's always been such a fucking little thing I've been so nerdy about. She really is. Like I want to know where the name Italian shoes came from. Was she just chilling in some fucking Louis V's and was like, "Yo, what happened? Life, life happened, man. It's all good things. It's all a beautiful thing, bro. It's gonna rain all week, and I am so hyped, bro. It's been so hot and so fucking just dry this summer. It's gonna rain a lot of the week though, and I am hyped, dude. We need it. We need it. Yeah, I feel that. I mean, like geography wise, like what I fucking look at is like, or what I'm interested in is just like random countries, like facts and like how much like people live there and like when it got established and just like random history about it and shit like that. Where are you at, Jen? You down in like Texas, like southern area, or where are you? No, nice, dude. No, I heard Maryland's pretty nice, some parts for sure. I heard it's just packed, like it's small and there's a ton of people. Like I think Maryland's literally like as big as pretty much my county. Fact check, fact check. Dude, Utah's massive. 8th smallest state. Yeah, it's tiny. Let's see. Let's see. I might just be talking straight out of my asshole though, bro. But Utah is fucking huge. Like just to get to Salt Lake's 4.5 hours, then you go 85 the whole time. And from Salt Lake, there's cities that are another 4 or 5 hours. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm super talking out of my ass, bro. I'm super talking out of my asshole. But still, though, 20%. It's 1/5 as big. Now we know, though. Now we know. That was a fun exercise. Anyone else got any places that we want to just dive into for no reason? Dillingham, Alaska. Dude, Alaska's fucking awesome. What is Dillingham, Alaska? Tell me about Dillingham, Alaska. Sounds like somewhere from someone in my city would go if they went to Alaska. Oh, I mean, hell, that's beautiful. It looks like Soldotna, 330 miles southwest. Oh, so it's kind of by like almost like Washington area-ish, kind of, sort of. Well, I guess Alaska's fucking massive. 330 miles might not even be that like much of the state. Do you live there? You're one of the 2,200 people that live there? Oh, let's go. I like cold places. I just couldn't live in cold places, if that makes sense. I've lived in the desert in like the heat my whole life. I can do humidity, but I can't really do cold. Like I can, I've done it. I lived in Salt Lake for like two winters. It was all right. Salt Lake gets cold too. Like it gets snow hard, but I prefer not to. I'd prefer warmer weather. That's for sure. By the way, we're green, fellas. We're fucking green. World class fly fishing. I went to Soldotna. No, no, no. Is that what it's called? Is that what it's called? Soldotna, Alaska? Is that a thing? Or was that the river? No, no, the river was Kenai. Yeah, the Kenai River. This place was sick, bro. I really liked it. It was super cozy. And this river, it was actually like just a bit up this river. I went fly fishing and I saw a fucking bald eagle. It was insane. And they had these fish sticks. They were like cubes, kind of. Oh my fuck, bro. I'm not even like a fish stick guy or like a fish and chips guy. Like I like fish. It's not that I don't, but bro, that was fucking changed my life. I tell you what. Yeah, see, and then I went to Wolverine Creek, Alaska. This shit was sick. This shit was so sick. We flew in on one of those Cessnas. It's so sick though, bro. The water's just such an interesting color. Like, 'cause it's like I think it's mainly glacier runoff, right? But yeah, it's like a bright blue, almost like turquoise type beat. It was just so cool, bro. Like it felt like a whole different world up there. What are things to do in Chattanooga, Tennessee? One of the most underrated adventure cities in the Southeast. It sits among the Tennessee River with mountains, caves, waterfalls, and a surprisingly lively downtown. Thank you, ChatGPT. That's actually pretty. I like it. What the fuck? That's sick. That's sick. That's so sick. Holy shit. Damn. One of the best aquariums in the country. Bang. My eyes are not blue shoes. Shows how little you know me, dude. I'm just kidding. I'm giving you shit. But my eyes are not blue though. My eyes are green. Oh, they have whitewater rafting. Let's go. One of the best whitewater rafting destinations in the southeast, motherfucker. Let's go. Dude, I bet you they have some insane barbecue. Isn't Tennessee like some insane barbecue? Isn't that a thing? Needs to be sponsored by Xanax. Very fucking true, holy. Oh, hey, we green. The local green machine. I will take one trim here and then have the other two for down here. Let's see how's XOM looking? I forgot about this one. Okay. A little bit of a Beldner. Let's see what those cons are at. My phone's at 100%. Does not need to be plugged in anymore. Oh, cons are green. Let's go, actually. It's huge. Did it have a big day? Oh, it's up 3%. That's pretty nice. Yeah. I still think we see all-time high price. 175 is nuts. IBM's still up 20% as well. Yeah, they haven't moved that much, yeah. I know I saw they were down 20%. I think it closed Friday or something. But yeah, overall they haven't moved a whole lot. Is Elf doing anything today? No. How about Texas Instruments? Pretty uneventful day. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Today's market is no bueno. I like the way this trade's playing out. I think we'll at least get a trim here, and then I'll go break even. And honestly, probably hop off the charts from there. But I should have someone coming to pick up my chairs today. Here about 9:30. Dude, it's been so nice. I'll send you guys a video later or something, but I've been slowly selling like every piece of furniture I got, bro. I think I was mentioning this last time on stream. Feels good though. But my house is so fucking empty right now. It's kind of depressing. It's like literally you can echo downstairs. Like I went downstairs and I was just like singing a little bit. I was like blah 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 blah, and it started echoing. I was like, oh fuck, that's how you know it's bad. But if anyone needs a 75-inch flat screen TV, smart TV, LG, I'll ship it to you. Because I have no fucking idea what to do with it. I put it on Facebook Marketplace and no one. Can we hear more Justin Bieber? What was I doing? Whoa, whoa. Is that what I was doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, let me get a old alert set up. I can sing. Of course I can sing, bro. What do you think I am, some pleb, huh? Arrest me, arrest me. Plus, what is that? Plus, that's plus 22? Bang. Why not take it to the new house in Zion, bro? Cause so the new house in Zion, I mean, yes, I own a bit of it, but it's my family's, and dude, my dad is such a fucking dweeb. Well, not dweeb, geek about like TVs and stuff. So for Black Friday last year, he found the the painting. What do they call them? Picture frame TVs that are like super thin and they just look like a picture frame. He got one for almost every fucking room in that whole house. So um yeah, if I don't though, there is one place I probably can put it, but yeah, yeah. So yeah, but in my room and every other guest room, and then upstairs there's already one too. So, but the living room we're just getting started on, and we don't have a TV down there. And honestly, this would probably be a great TV to have down there. So, I might still bring it out there. Uh, but dude, I need to get to work because this office, this is technically a bedroom. I'm renting out my house as a four bedroom. So if they come and they see this shit, they're probably no bueno. So I think over the next week or two, I got to repaint this whole thing, take all those slats down and whatnot. I'm glad I just sized down on this, so it's such a fucking stress-free trade. The market's been just kind of hasn't been like abusing me. I've honestly been trading pretty decent. It's just like there's been a couple of days over the past few weeks that have just been like aggravating because of like, for example, like let's say I size with like six micros here, and we're this close to being the TP1, and I'm trimming half off there, and then I'll break even or something. But like, if it reversed right now and hit full stop, I really wouldn't mind that much. It's like $200 on my risk, which is basically right where I want to be. But I am trying to slowly size up a little bit and just build my capital and do all that. But if I was at six, that's what, $500 pretty much. I don't know, 50K account, I can only do four of those, and that'll torch the account. But with this, I can do another almost 10. If I lose all 10 in a row, like then we're good. So, you know, it's been nice to have a little bit more stress free. I super recommend just sizing down if anything's felt like not like anxiety, but just like the nerves start ticking, like or you get upset after a trade one way or the other. It's like sure, yeah, when it wins, you could have won more if you size heavier, so you made money still. You made money still. Like if we hit this full trade, I think it's like 500, 400, $500, something like that. So it's like that's still plenty of money. Like that's what most people make in like 2 to 3 days of work, sometimes a full week of work. Plenty fine for me, man. Plenty fine for me, mate. Bloody hell. But I will be right back. Give me like 5 minutes, something like that. All right, Bev is back. Hey, that's not nice. You guys let my trade go up. Nice 50-minute CSD. A little bit of retest. You know I'm Shane. Oh my god, I just realized that I've been muted. Quick look at Tesla. Yeah, bro, I can. Yeah, it looks like shit. Looks fucking terrible. That looks 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 terrible. Yeah, don't touch it. Would not touch that with a 5 million foot stick. What's your thesis on it? Flower girl, is it your season? Ooh, 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 ooh. Bottom took the 4 hour CE gap. Think we get a bounce up on the next hourly for ES? No, not really at all. We're getting a 1 minute or an hourly IFEG plus hourly CSD plus huge wicks below. I think that we'd see a decent push down throughout the rest of the week, or at least the next couple days. He said bottom take the 4 hour CE gap right now, so I'm up about 30 seconds. I think these takes these lower highs. I would take your money and secure it. You did. Which CE of where? Right here, this big ol' 4 hour CE. It's been holding it, but just notice how every high it's made is lower. It's not something you really want to add along to. Yeah, I'm listening to music right now. Sorry, I just can't play it on YouTube anymore because we just keep getting fucking demonetized because of it and like restricted and whatnot. So yeah, sorry, I'm fucking bumping music here. I'm vibing out. I got fucking the Discover Weekly for the week on and saved like 3 songs already, bro. Sorry, yeah, I just realized how zoned out I was. Holy shit. No, no, dude, I couldn't. I couldn't. I'm already like ready to get off the charts, honestly. I get so bored sitting here staring. Like I just look, I spend my time and I digest where liquidity is likely to draw to, wait for an entry. I usually just enter in damn near like when I'm not streaming, like almost all my overnight alerts, like I'm not even home. Like I'll just click it on my phone and then I just turn my phone off and I'm out with like friends or I'm at the gym or driving around or something. Like I do my best not to even really stare at charts. I've been looking at other stuff. My screen's obviously sharing my chart, but I'm yeah, I was on my email. Twas on my email. All right, fellas. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off here though. It's been an hour and a half. We were cruising. Dude, honestly, my Discover Weekly always sends me the craziest shit. But I just found one that I liked called "Washed Away" by Eyes on the Shore and "Far Out" by Dylan Cotrone. 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 Yeah, both those were pretty damn good. The Zenki Shores. Yeah, yeah. It was I think it was a 15 if I remember right. Let me see. It might have been a 5 though. Yeah, it was a 5. It was this 5 minute right here. This is exactly what I took. This is what I took, and then I took to whatever. It was these lows. That's what it was. Pretty clean one, yeah. Just a simple continuation model. That's all it was. We already broke down lows. We basically tapped NWAG on NQ. We inversed this. This honestly would have probably been a decent entry right here. But then I saw we obviously created the change in the state of delivery. We kind of accumulated. Then we bounced and then we came back up. I entered here seeking lower and we got pretty much direct movement, which was pretty cool. But yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, brother. All right, fellas. Tomorrow PM stream, Wednesday AM, Friday AM, Thursday PM. So hell yeah. Let's get this money this week, boys. Straight up play out. I'm not gonna adjust any limits until if we get first trim, I will move my stops to break even. So if you're in with me, that's the plan. If you're not, then just enjoy your day, baby. Don't overtrade today. Price is not ideal, so whatever you should be doing is sizing very small if you're gonna trade in general. So, anyways, much love.